everyone! I'm Teacher Melike from EnglishCentral. Welcome back. And today we are going to learn about simple present tense. In English we have 12 tenses. And I know it might seem like it's a lot, but don't worry. We will go step by step. 6 of these tenses are called simple tenses and the other 6 are called perfect tenses. I will start by explaining the simple tenses first, and today we are focusing on the present time. You might be asking in what kind of situations we are supposed to use this tense. One of the most common uses of simple present tense is for talking about our habits. For example, I always read before bed. You can also use it to state general facts, things that are always true, like water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Do you like our examples? You know where to find more. EnglishCentral has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. You can click on the link below to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app EnglishCentral to check out our educational materials. We also offer you one free lesson with our teachers so that you can check it all out for yourself. For now, let's continue with the lesson. Forming the simple present tense is quite simple. Positive sentences in simple present tense are the easiest. You just put the subject and the base form of the verb together, like this. I love ice cream. But don't forget, the verb has to take S if we are going to use one of these pronouns. He, she, and it. See the examples. He eats a lot. She likes this music. It sits there all day. If you want to make the sentence negative, you add do not, or if the pronoun is he, she, or it, does not before the base form of the verb. To shorten it, you can use don't or doesn't. For example, I do not like spinach, or I don't like spinach. Also, it does not play fetch, or it doesn't play fetch. To ask questions, you switch the subject and do or does and then add the base form of the verb. For instance, do they speak English? Don't you need to do your homework? Does he think we are stupid? Doesn't she play sports? In summary, we use simple present tense to state habits and facts, things that don't need time because they fit all the time. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click the link below and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care!